afternoon to one and all present over here, respected teachers, and my dear colleagues, and my dear juniors. I, Jyoti Nanda, standing before you to present my viewpoint on the debate topic that corruption is a mindset, not circumstantial. So, before coming to my debate, let me say one thing that can you imagine that even after 75 years of independence, India is still observing the Vigilance Awareness Week. Then what is the reason behind it? It is clearly defining that corruption is deeply rooted in our Indian society. Actually, corruption word is not new for our Indian society. It is still prevailing in India since ancient times, like the times from the Mauryan age, like Chandragupta and who is doing corruption to give the crown to Chandragupta. So let me come to my point. So I am totally unagree with the point that corruption is circumstantial. It is always depends upon our mind because we the people are responsible for making corruption. Many of us think that corruption is only about taking bribes or giving bribes, taking money, giving money, but no, it is not. It is also involves that many theft, fraud, or any abuse, illegal things. Then what is corruption? Corruption means any illegal doings or any misuse of powers that we do for our personal